Just dip it, you don't scoop it.
Daddy, Eddie's keep on eating them all.
What's he eating?
He's eating them all.
Well, he likes the breadsticks.
Aww.
Well, then you get one before they're gone then.
Daddy, get two actually.
She's chewing on one.
Don't drop your drink there, Eddie. It's only going to knock it over.
Eddie stole mine on my plate.
Put it on your box.
You cut my pizza.
Sure.
Look how huge it is. I can't eat that whole thing.
Hold the plate.
Eat that one. Hey, man, I'll have this one. Yeah, I'll cut it, please. Lucky.
You want a piece?
I didn't get any breadsticks.
Oh, look at poor Grandpa here.
Eddie's the breadstick kid. That's pretty much why I got the breadsticks, because Eddie likes the breadsticks.
Have mine.
I'm not kidding.
No, have it.
I don't like breadsticks.
God, you're one little crazy.
You get breadsticks with the pizza that comes on the corners.
He's crazy. He's a little bit goofball.
Whoa.
He's a little bit country and a little bit rock and roll.
What?
He's not.
Grandpa, you're all eating breadsticks.
There's bread. No bread.
Stay cheesy, dumber.
Oh, you're trying to break the camera.
Oh, I knew that was
Can I
coming.
have a pizza?
It's almost over.
Have a pizza.
Yeah, what pizza you want? Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.